video, I'm going to be going over the Lily of the Valley cold process soap. This one is fully cured and is wrapped in biodegradable shrink wrap, so sorry about the reflection on there. But I use Lily of the Valley fragrance oil from Essential Depot. Unfortunately, they do not put their fragrance notes on the website anymore. They used to, but for some reason they took it off. So I was not quite sure what to expect when I made this soap. I did have some acceleration and a tiny bit of ricing, but it was enough, not enough to cause any major issues, and I was able to blend it out. So this one, I want to do a secret feather swirl. I wasn't able to go down very deep because of that acceleration. Most of them are not down quite as far, but this one isn't too bad. So the fragrance smells amazing, no discoloration, just anticipate that acceleration and a little bit of ricing. The colors I used were from Wholesale Supply Plus, Crafter's Choice. So I used 2 different colors of yellow, 2 different colors of green, and then I have some soap dough embeds that I put on top. And those I had made, a month or so ago. As long as you keep them wrapped very tightly, they'll last a long time. So this is how I made this soap.